This recording is from Canterbury Tales over the yeoman and the squire. They both show up from line 79 to 117 in the prologue, and they are with the knight as he approaches in the story, and this is by Andy Gould and Jaden Edwards. The first character from the story is the squire, who's a knight's attendant. He's the son of the knight in this story, and he's also a lover and knight's admirer, which means that when he grows older, he would like to become a knight. He's average height, and his hair is described as locks as curled as if set by a press. He is around 20 or so, and the narrator uses him as the knight's son to show how he is less of a manly man as other characters and shows more of a feminine side. He's a lover and knight's bachelor. He could joust and dance, drew well, and wrote gracefully. He was great at many things, including dancing, drawing, and writing. He also had great agility and might, could sing and compose songs.
The second character that is talked about in the lines 79 through 119 is the yeoman. The yeoman is the knight's only servant. He dresses in an all-green coat and hoodie, kind of like Robin Hood. In his hand he carries a mighty bow and a sheaf of arrows that never droop too low. It also says that he tended to his gear most yeomanly, which most likely means he took care of his stuff the way he took care of it in the night. Yeoman, which means freeholder or a man who cultivates a small estate, explains why he did what he did for the knight. His job was to protect the knight's land while he was gone. He kept poachers, thieves, and even animals off of and away from his land. The yeoman spent most of his time outside in the forest, which explains why the text says his face was brown and he kept a short haircut. The text also says that the yeoman carried a sword, shield, and a dagger for extra protection from the thieves. My modern connection for the yeoman is Robin Hood. He is my modern connection for the yeoman because they both dress in all green, carry a bow and arrow, and spend most of their time in the woods.